We'll guide you through how to use the ChatGPT keyboard. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, locate the settings icon, usually found in the lower left corner of the page. Click on it to open the settings menu. Here, you should see an option labeled Keyboard Shortcuts or ChatGPT Keyboard. Click on this option to access the keyboard settings page. On this page, you'll find a list of available shortcuts that are designed to make your ChatGPT experience more efficient. Most of these shortcuts are customizable, so you can either use the default settings or modify them to suit your preferences. For example, you might see a shortcut for sending a message like Control+Enter, and you can change it to something that feels more intuitive for you. To change a shortcut, simply click on the action you want to modify, then press the keys you want to assign to that action. Once you finish customizing your shortcuts, make sure to save your changes by clicking on the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page. Now you're all set to use the ChatGPT keyboard with your preferred shortcuts, allowing you to navigate the chat and send messages more smoothly and quickly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.